Hello friends, it's time for Cipher, today's Cipher. Okay, so pay attention to the words. I'm going to find their code right now. First is W, so you short long to get W, then long to get A, then get short to get L. Repeat that. Short to get another L. Then next E, that's short. Okay, then let's find T, long type, and then that's it. Wallet. So just give it a try quickly, and then please, when you watch videos of these daily Cipher, please know how being carried along with it. Okay, if you do understand, I can actually make more provisions for you to understand. Go ahead and play the game and win as I win.